Properly breaking in a new or newly rebuilt diesel engine is critical. While there may be many differences in the exact procedure based on your manufacturer's service manual, one thing remains the same across the board. Improper break-in procedure can cause increased oil consumption, worsen fuel economy, and can even affect the power of your diesel engine. While precision in parts machining is better than ever, breaking in a diesel engine properly is still essential to conform parts into a perfect fit during the operation of the engine. When loading the engine, whether with a dyno, a trailer waiting at the shop, or by running the hills, there will be some wear and increased metal will end up in the oil. There can also be contaminants from the rebuild process itself. For those reasons, we believe it is beneficial to change your oil sooner than a regularly scheduled oil change, no more than 500 miles after starting the engine for the first time. Our opinion is to change the oil at half of the recommended oil change interval. Typically, after the third oil change, your engine is now considered fully broken in and can run regular oil change intervals. During the break-in period, many manufacturers suggest traditional oil over synthetic. Even if you plan on running synthetic in the future, it's still a good idea to begin with traditional oil for the extended break-in period. Always check with the manufacturers. Some engine manufacturers have special break-in oils. Though this is not as common as years past, it's always worth checking. You might also want to opt for a break-in oil for the second oil change, as these oils are cleaner of impurities. Refer back to your manufacturer's service manual to determine if an additive should also be used. To get the proper seating of your rings and valves to avoid excessive oil consumption, you have to break in your diesel engine properly. Refer back to your service manual, avoid idling, and be conscientious of oil changes during this critical period in your engine's life. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for an affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about engine break-in procedure, you can call our ASE certified technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date on all news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.